The epic AI battle, Google versus OpenAI. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the ultimate showdown, Google versus OpenAI. It's no secret these two giants are at the forefront of artificial intelligence, but the competition is heating up with some incredible innovations on both sides. Are you ready to find out who's pulling ahead and what it means for us? Stick around because this is going to be a deep dive into the most exciting AI battle of the year. Let's kick things off with OpenAI and their latest upgrades to ChatGPT, specifically the new Canvas feature. Imagine this. Instead of just chatting with an AI, you now have a workspace where you can edit, refine, and tweak text or code in real time. This upgrade makes the AI not just a tool, but a true creative and technical partner. OpenAI's move with Canvas is clearly aimed at giving users more control and flexibility, which has been a consistent feedback point for most AI users. It's easy to see why this would appeal to individuals and businesses alike. However, the real question is whether this will be enough to fend off Google, which has entered the ring with Gemini 2.0, a model that's changing the game entirely. So, what makes Gemini 2.0 so groundbreaking? For starters, it's built to be faster, more efficient, and incredibly context-aware. This means it can handle much longer conversations and more complex interactions without losing track of the details. Think about planning a year-long project with an AI that remembers every decision you've made along the way. That's the power of Gemini 2.0. But Google didn't stop there. They've introduced something called Project Astra, a tool that integrates Gemini's capabilities into real-time collaboration settings. Imagine sharing your screen with the AI, getting live feedback, or managing tasks seamlessly with your team while the AI handles the data crunching. But let's not forget the corporate chess match happening behind the scenes. Microsoft's partnership with OpenAI is under scrutiny, and Google isn't holding back. If regulators step in, it could shift the balance of power in the AI landscape. Let's take a closer look at the strengths and weaknesses of both sides. OpenAI's focus on personalization and adaptability makes tools like ChatGPT Canvas feel incredibly user-centric. It's designed for people who want to get hands-on and customize their experience. On the flip side, Google's Gemini 2.0 is all about pushing boundaries in memory and collaboration. It's setting a new standard for what AI can do in a professional setting, particularly for teams and enterprises. Here's an example to illustrate this. Imagine you're a writer working on a novel. With ChatGPT Canvas, you can refine chapters, adjust tones, and even brainstorm ideas interactively. It's like having a personal editor. Now imagine you're part of a research team tackling a complex project. With Gemini 2.0, you could have an AI that not only remembers every data point discussed, but also collaborates with team members in real time, suggesting solutions and streamlining workflows. Both tools are powerful, but their use cases couldn't be more different. And then there's the question of trust. Google has been clear about integrating Gemini into their broader suite of tools, which raises concerns about data privacy and how much access the AI has to your information. OpenAI, on the other hand, has positioned itself as a more transparent and independent player, though its partnership with Microsoft does blur those lines a bit. As consumers, we need to think critically about who we trust with our data and how these tools fit into our lives. So, what does this all mean for the future of AI? For one, we're likely to see even more specialized tools that cater to specific industries and use cases. The era of one-size-fits-all AI is coming to an end, and that's a good thing. Competition between giants like Google and OpenAI will only accelerate this trend, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. And let's not forget the ripple effect on smaller players in the AI space, who will need to innovate faster to stay relevant. Before we wrap up, let's talk about you. Which tool do you think fits your needs better? Are you drawn to the hands-on, customizable approach of ChatGPT Canvas? Or does Gemini's collaborative and memory-driven design resonate with you more? Drop a comment below and let me know. I'm curious to hear what you think about this epic battle between two tech giants. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends, who are just as curious about AI as you are. And of course, hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all things AI and tech. In the next video, we'll explore the rise of small but mighty AI tools that are reshaping how we work and live. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. See you next time.